Hi folks, kamusta kayo dyan? Umuulan, di ba? Bumabagyo. Friday, July 18. Ang hirap, no? Kasi kanina, madaling araw kami gumising ang aga-aga dahil we were looking forward na magbibuild kami sa downstream today. Kaso talagang hindi po pwede, no? Alam ko mahirap mag-drive. Sabi ko kay Edna mahirap mag-drive at saka yung mga road cuts, delikado. So we just decided to cancel. Tumawag kami sa leader namin today. We apologize kasi I'm sure umuulan din sa kanila. So we call it a day. So nandito ako sa bahay ngayon. I'm in my office. Nag-update ako ng mga video. At least productive tayo. Pero naisip ko, ito yung isa sa mga deepest why natin as builders, no? Importante sa atin yung araw. Kaso nawawala because of, acts of God, typhoon. So gamitin po natin itong one of our deepest why natin, no? Why we want to succeed with NanoCell as network builders. Kasi po, darating yung time na sustainable na yung income natin, your high five bonuses, your 5% override, your uni-level, inugat na yung product doon sa network mo, napalaki mo na yung left and right mo, na-duplicate mo na yung sarili mo, and you're still doing it consistently and diligently. Want to sawa po ito no? Until, kaya mo pa. So, we have time actually. We have time. So, we just have to do it. So, one of our deepest why, is to make things happen. Just because bumabagyo, hindi tayo makatrabaho. So, I consider this as one of my deepest why. Bakit? Darating yung panahon na kahit isang buwan pa siya bumagyo, we can afford to stay at home. We can still pay our bills. We can still shop for our food. We can still enjoy our lives. Hindi tayo nangangamba. Hindi tayo, worried about, the food on the table and the bills for next month. Kasi nga, we will consider this as one of our deepest why. To make it happen. Kasi nga, rainy season, bumabagyo. So that stops us from doing what we love, which is going out and building. So hopefully, mas maganda yung panahon bukas, and makalabas tayo ulit. Alright? Take care and see you next time.